Nick Gray here. I'm live in Shenzhen, China at a factory that's producing so many batteries that are used to recharge cell phones. I'm here with my buddy Noah, who hooked us up with the factory tour. Behind me, you can see here, people are assembling all the brands of popular cell phone batteries that you see for sale on Amazon. This is such a neat experience. We were in Hong Kong and suddenly just came to Shenzhen randomly and talked our way into this factory where we had a very professional meeting, and then they suited us up in official laboratory coats and we got to tour the factory, which was incredible. They let me take as many pictures as I want. Noah knew people here, and look, all those things are these little circuit boards that people would do tons of final inspection on. Let me show you how they actually build these though. They're all made by these computer systems. Look, it spits one board out here and it gets sucked up into another machine, and then the other machine takes it and it measures it, and beep boop beep boop pop, it just zaps in all these other little chips and circuit boards and processors, and then spits it out to be one of these boards, which then gets added on to the battery packs, and people assemble them right in front of our eyes, and then it turns into this box. This is one of the sample batteries, popular brand named Aoki, which I have one, and then just dumped into boxes and warehouses and shipped off to Amazon. I'm wearing this hat to keep my electricity out. It's the weekend and there's still a lot of people working here. I'm learning a lot in Shenzhen, China, and then back to Hong Kong tomorrow. Thanks for watching and being my friend on Facebook. Hello.